Namaskar. My name is Dr. Shakuntala Devi, working in Guru Nandeshwar University, Hisar, Haryana. I joined MOOC from IMB. This is a video pitch, a demand of the SAD MOOC course, which I have prepared on topic event planning. Event planning a few years back, marriage celebration was the need in my family. I remember a lot of things done, like beginning of event by 2 months before. I mean, regarding preparations for the day, etc. It was the routine of family persons to move out in search of booking for various services, multiple services, for example, decor, suites, venue, etc. Sometimes I used to be surprised on the people engaged in marriage preparation. Last year I thought to start business. An idea come to my mind. That great idea was of event planning and event organizing. My younger son was also engaged in this sort of business. Therefore, I also traced the same idea and implemented into the form of lean canvas. Initially, it was related with marriages taken as an event at grand level. During the year 2020, the business of event planning faced a setback due to COVID-19. And due to this influence the small events like welcome parties, intro parties of the students, birthday parties, and sometimes marriage related functions as per protocol were tried to organize. It was fruitful in result also. However, an event planner and its role is an added expense and unnecessary for some people. However, precisely the opposite in much real and true. An event planner may save a great amount of time, money, and energy resources regarding customers. An event planner may benefit to one's customers with many discounts and perks. For example, he or she possesses professional network, multiple services, hotel costs may be saved, negotiation skills like low booking rates, added discounts, concessions, last not least, time and stress, peace of mind in view of that someone is taking care of details of your event in a professional manner. Sometimes stress during celebration is on rise on the part of the host. But event planner eliminates all stress arisen due to unexpected emergencies. A good planner have trained staff and have a backup plan to handle such an emergencies, etc. Thank you for patient hearing.